There are places in Wales I don't go, reservoirs that are the subconscious of a people, troubled far down with gravestones, chapels, villages even. The serenity of their expression revolts me. It is a pose for strangers, a watercolour's appeal to the mass, instead of the poem's harsher conditions. There are the hills too, gardens gone under the scum of the forest, and the smashed faces of the farms, with the stone trickle of their tears down the hillside. Where can I go then from the smell of decay, from the putrefying of a dead nation?